Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you all missed me. You did? Yes? Oh yes, you missed me. I missed y'all too. So today is Sunday and my boyfriend and I are going somewhere. I don't know the name of the place. Well, I don't remember. I know where I'm going-ish because we've never been there, but I don't remember the name of the place. So babe, what's the name of the place?
Blue Ridge Restaurant.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Where's the Blue Ridge?
And I have been vlogging, but I just did not edit anything because I think they're boring. But from the other day, all I've been doing is staying home. Like legit, I haven't even been going to the gym that much. Just every now and then I've just been stuck at home doing, well, not really doing nothing because I've been making videos, but I've just been at home. I don't know why, but yeah, I decided to just bring you guys with me today because why not? Ooh, I look so cute. My highlight though. Yeah, you know, I should actually do this makeup look, but it's simple. It's just a nude look with pinkish nude lip, and I'll tell you all the details later, I guess, when we reach home. When we reach home, not if we not if we reach home, but when we reach home, I guess I'll tell you the details on that. I'm basically trying to blow my hair. He does not know that as a woman and your hair, you like wind the windows up, like wind the windows up. We don't do windows down. You're blowing up my hairstyle. And these are some old curls, like 2 or 3 weeks old curls. So you know set them not tight, them very loose. So that's what we're doing today, because according to us, we're trying to do something every Sunday. Yeah, so today we're just going to that restaurant that Bae said. And we wanted to go to the movies, but all the box seats are sold out because we wanted to go watch Black Panther this weekend, but apparently we're not going to watch it until box seats are open, whatever that is. Hopefully. Also, Blue Ridge is up in St. Andrews Hill. That's in Jamaica. It's up in St. Andrews Hill, like Blue Mountain, like close to Blue Mountain. So I guess we can kind of show you guys how to find the area, because the last time I did a vlog to Falling Edge Falls, people are complaining that I didn't show them how to reach up there, but kind of pretty easy to find it. Just put it in Google and you can find it. So, and the details were down in the description box, but because y'all don't read, y'all complain. So that was the issue there, because I did like put the information down in the description box. I guess I didn't put it in the title, but I did put it in the description box, and I did tell you guys that it was Falling Edge Waterfalls. So I don't know. Oh, let us play music. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so upon observation, we have realized that this is actually probably a good idea to come a bit earlier. Reason being, we're halfway up in the mountains, as you probably can see from clips that we have shown, and We haven't even reached our second community, which we're supposed to pass. We're supposed to reach there. So I guess because we were thinking it was somewhere like Serendipity, it wouldn't be far up, right? And then it kind of seemingly seems like it's far up. But I'm enjoying the scenery while Bay Drive. Because it's actually beautiful out. Like, you need to see this with your own 2 eyes. The camera is not doing it much justice. Seeing it, like being here in the moment, is better than seeing it through a camera. That's all I can say. Because it's pretty beautiful.
All the senses going.
Yeah, like it's beautiful because you smell the good air. And you can feel the good breeze. That's why the window kind of don't know, because there's some that goes up with and say, oh, one window, look at me pushing my face out now to feel the good breeze touching my skin and all of that. So yeah, we're basically up in a blue mountain.
Yeah,
that's all we can say.
we are
Basically up here.
not in the peak, but
Yeah.
in the blue mountains.
And the people that live here wear sweater. So
That is the idea.
yeah, we should have brought our sweaters. But I guess next time if we do it again, we know that we should
Bring sweats.
sweaters and not sunglasses. You made it. Thank God they all put up that, because trust me.
This was a trial and a half.
They had it right. It's so bright. Anyways, guys, these are the coffee beans that you'd get coffees from. Yeah, I'm just saying, my boyfriend wanted me to show y'all. I don't know why, but he just said, show them, babe. First and last?
First and last.
Or maybe again.
You didn't fix the road again.
So if they fix the road, you come back again. But this will be
Until the road is fixed.
and then the road not fixed till next 20 years.
Then the next 20 years we come back and get my signature blue drink. I get something else, but I definitely need that.
You definitely need it.
Yes,
it's not a want, it's a need.
We can't compare and I get that. It's not bad though, I must admit. I give them hell about the road, which is deservable.
What is not their road?
It's not their road. So that's how I'm say. But the property itself is alright. Can't say the club have vibe with them I go find.
appetizer down, and it was good. So I guess I can say the quesadilla was great. Yes.
So for I was a question. For the quesadilla, what was it made?
From herbs they would have to do with something. So you like it?
Yes. I was just wondering.
It's getting misty. Very misty outside.
If it's not those skills,
But it's actually warm inside.
I got to be cold down. Starting to worry for a bit.
Yeah. So we kind of have company now, guys, and them load. But the quesadilla was great. Even though mine was burnt. But it was good. It was a good burnt. That's all I have to say.
It was a good burn.
It wasn't a bad burn. It was a good burn. And they snapping food. So this is my chicken breast with broccoli and something. But this is like cabbage and carrot. And then my homemade mac and cheese. The pasta and garlic bread with cheese powder.
But I hate garlic bread, and I figured this was cheese powder. But this one is like for the purest. I'm not a purist of cheese. Bon oui. Without getting the blue cup.
So this is why babe brought me up here to get this blue tea. Basically, I think it's chocolate tea and then just put blue color in it.
Yeah. Something like that.
So that's what he brought me here for. Not because he wanted to bring me out on a date.
I brought you for a date. But you can't come on a date without the blue.
Because he wanted to get blue tea. Should I get a straw?
Yes.
Is it cold or is it hot?
It's warm.
I see. My chicken breast is a bit dry. But it's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's cute or whatever. Hopefully that's strong.
In terms of mint, because it's not going to be very strong otherwise.
I don't want. Oh wow.
Yes, I want it.
In the kitchen feeling like a stir fry. So I can fairly say the best part of this all is my
Blue drink.
mojito. It's quite good. So if you come here, try the mojito. The mixed berry mojito.
Mixed berry fusion.
Yes. Hi. Yes.
Do you guys need this thing to dessert next?
Oh, you have dessert? Yes, please.
Do you want to eat this?
Yeah. If there's no good dessert, what is I going to skip it? Because it makes sense.
My mojito is
This
good
is
though.
like Horlicks white. He's to die.
And then I sweeten it that much.
Because I have that kind of thing. Thank you.
Thank you. But the thing about it is, they should have actually given you like milk or condensed milk for you to sweeten it how you like.
So they have quite a few desserts, not sure if they're any good.
Dessert menu. So yeah, yesterday just ended abruptly. I know, but we're moving on. So tonight we're going to the movies. I mean, be all matched out. Okay. See, we have our matching shirts, our old t-shirts, and then we choose to put on the same color-ish jackets.
Ish.
Yeah, because it's olive green, but mine more shiny, satin, silky.
Mine is more cotton.
Yeah. So we're going to watch Black Panther.
Rawr.
Really? And we're a bit late, so let us head out actually, because we really want to reach early because we get regular seats and we kind of want to see the movie good. So we're tall people. That's tall people's problem. So we're head out now. Good night. So yeah, basically that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing or whatever. The evening looks so cute. Sunset. I don't know if they're going to. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, and can I see it?
Nice color.
Yeah.
Nice orange tone.
With the blue.
I would paint that.
Yes, I'd actually have a photo of that. Yeah, so we gonna head out now. Do I have my phone? No? Yes, I do. Because my sister said, Jesus, please. I know I left something. I always forget things anyways. Thank you, babe. So we're going to head into this traffic. And then when we reach, we'll probably get back to you or after, because it depends on what time we kind of reach. And just turn off the light on me. So see you later, guys. So we made it to the theater. This lighting is bomb. Oh, somebody on my last vlog said that they didn't know that Mac was here. So this is our Mac, as you can see. I don't know why I'm close the door. I must think somebody coming in, but actually was not going to come in. So yeah, our little Mac store in Jamaica. Yeah, we have one at least. No, a girl said she didn't know that there was a Mac in Jamaica. So yeah.
I see. We have a Mac and we have a Apple Mac.
We don't know.
We have a retailer. We have an official
retailer.
Yeah.
Automotive. I think it's at ATL.
I think they're the official.
Yes, they are.
Whatever for Jamaica.
Hello. And we're gonna watch the movie.
That's what we should watch next.
What is this? This? I don't want to watch that. Really?
By 17 hours.
So we just got our tickets. We're actually early, you know. We're early. You see it, babe. You see it. We're actually real early. Like the movie is 8:30 and we're here at 7:20. So we're early. It's like 7:20 now. So everyone go and get something to eat because I'm hungry. I might just get something to pick on. So I'm not that hungry. Maybe something to eat afterwards would be good, but not right now. So that might be good. everybody's just looking at me because I have a camera in front of my face, but that's okay. I'm not going to be shy today. Exactly. We're vlogging.
We ain't got time to be shy.
I guess because there's not much Jamaican vloggers, so we just look at it and say, what's she doing with that camera in front of her?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll come down to the food court to get something to eat, I guess. If I don't have
KFC.
You want KFC?
Yeah.
You want KFC?
Yeah.
So after coming early, guys, like really early before lunch time, look at the line that we are in. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not panicking. His fault, because I was showing him early on that there is a line up here, but we sit down comfortable down in the food court. I guess. Welcome to the Brother Food Court. I sit down when there's a big line up here, so I'm in. But it's okay. It's not that long. Like about 20 people in front of her, so we're kind of good for now. So we just came out of the movie, and it was a nice change to see Africa in a different way, basically.
But Wakanda is under siege, and we need we must protect.
And in some ways, let's just say it's a good movie.
No, it's
I'm not going to be biased.
No,
I'm not going to be biased.
Not true.
No, I was going to judge it. I was going to judge it, but I'm not going to. It makes no sense to judge the movie because it's just a good movie, and because I want to be a hard critique on it, which I cannot really and truly. No, I can't really. I can't be a hard critique on the movie because it was like a good. It was not a good. It was a great movie for one, and then two, it was just nice seeing Africa in a different light, you know. But then again, at the same time, no, that's okay. But at the same time, what I can't understand is how forgiving they are. Like the Governor General husband, they just forgive him like no, like psh, everything has changed. Forgiveness, I guess that is what we
about.
I guess that's what we need.
That's a part of the movie.
Yeah, I guess that's what we need. I guess I can say that. That's what we need. That's why the world not different, or it's not like Wakanda, because we're not easy to forgive. Yeah, but I'm not gonna tell them no more the movie because I don't really want to be like that person who like talk about the whole movie and people don't watch it yet. So I'm not going to be spoiling the movie for y'all. But if you have not watched, you definitely need to watch. As I was gonna say, it's good to see black people, Africa in a different light. That's it. So we're heading, no, well, we're gonna head to Burger King, right, babe? Hey, gone. We're going to Burger King and then home. Yes, we're going to Burger King. We're going to the burgers for the king, because we are all kings and queens in here. Right? So I'll see you guys when I get home, I guess, or should I just wrap up the... Y'all not see me anyways, but maybe I just wrap up. If you don't see me, well, this is the end of it. It don't make no sense to put the light at the back. Then we have to turn to. If you guys don't see me in the next clip, that's because the vlog has ended. But yeah, as I stated before, we're just going to go to Burger King and get my fat ass a burger. And then we're going home. We have work in the AM and it's basically midnight.
Or maybe we go to Wakanda.
Oh, I have the card thing, hopefully. I still have. Please go watch Black Panther, especially if you're black. I'm not trying to be racist here or nothing, but you know, just support black people. But always I say support black. Support some positive movie where we actually make like legit. We kind of need to support good black movie so that they can make more good black movies, so that we can just say, yeah, black people just good. Because we don't know so we're good. We body good, we food good, we ear good, we're just good. Everything about we good already. So yeah, just do that. Just let everybody else know say we're good. Because we are good.
And send the donation to Wakanda.
Stop being like that. That is racism actually, you know that, right?
You say what you say.
That is just like how you speak like on Chinese.
You know what?
That's racist.
You speak like a Chinese.
Don't you think it's racist?
Can't speak like a
Don't you guys think it's racism? I don't know, but I don't think he's trying to be racist. Because how you can be racist for your own black people? Thank you. So we are home and I'm under my ring light. my always ring light forever. And this is where I'm going to add love vlog. You want to come say? I did this the last time. I was just going to say, you want to come and say bye babe?
I'm so bye babe.
We did this the last time, didn't we? We matching. I got my burger, by the way.
Have it your way.
Say bye. I'm waiting for your bye. I want to pee.
Alright, YouTube. Catch y'all later.
Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside.